Remove the small black round cover from the top of the head tube, then loosen the two stem bolts a little. Rotate the handlebar stem 180 degrees so that it faces the front of the bike, then lightly retighten the stem's bolts to secure it to the head tube. Do not over-tighten. Unscrew the 4 clamp bolts and remove the cap, setting it aside for later use during installation. Position the handlebar on the stem at the correct angle and reinstall the cap. Make sure the gap between the clamp and the body stem is parallel. Then retighten the stem top bolt and the 2 side bolts to secure it. Reinstall the small black round cover. Insert the battery key, push and rotate it counterclockwise by 90 degrees to unlock the battery. Unplug the wire, then carefully pull the battery upwards to remove it. Loosen the seat clamp, position the saddle squarely and adjust it to your height. Then, tighten the side nut and secure the seat with the quick release lever. Press the upshift button of the shifter on the right handlebar repeatedly to the gear 7. Gently turn the bike upside down and place it onto the 2 foam pieces from the box to protect and stabilize the handlebars. Remove the headlight bolt and washers attached to the front fork. Then install the headlight and front fender. Retighten the bolt securely. Remove the nuts and washers attached to the front fork, which are used to fix the front fender. Position the fender iron bar correctly, then tighten the bolts to secure it in place. Connect the headlight cable. Unscrew the 3 bolts of the U-shaped washer and the nut on both sides to take off the protective bar from the front fork. Remove the red protective pad. Do not pull the brake lever until the front wheel is fully installed. Loosen the screws on both sides of the front wheel, then remove the axle nuts and anti-rotation rings, leaving only the washers in place on each side. Ensure the thickened washers are positioned on the innermost side of the axle, closest to the wheel. Position the wheel onto the front fork, ensuring that the brake rotor is properly aligned with the caliper and the dropouts are fully seated on the axle. Reinstall the anti-rotation ring and screw the axle. Nut on by a 15 mm wrench. Repeat these steps on the other side. Now please turn the bike over. Check the L and R markings on each pedal and install them on the corresponding cranks. Thread the right pedal onto the right crank by hand, turning clockwise. Then tighten it with the wrench. Thread the left pedal onto the left crank by hand, turning counterclockwise, then tighten it with the wrench. Check the chain alignment and ensure that the chain runs smoothly through the drivetrain. Loosen and take out the screw under the rear seat clamp. Place the rear seat onto the rack, then push it forward to ensure proper alignment. Retighten the screw to secure it in place. Push the seat quick release lever to flip the saddle. Align the battery with the slot at the side of the battery and place it back into the frame. Secure it with the key and connect the wire. Fold the saddle back.